my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video once again I'm present with the latest update of the Hedera Hashgraph. What's the current price of Hedera? What's the price in open Hedera Hashgraph? In this video I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, if you look the current price of Hedera Hashgraph, so the current price is going wrong. 0.274998 US dollar is the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market. And on the other side, if you look the price change is occurring in Hedera Hashgraph, so now the pricing is going wrong. The last 1 hour pricing is negative, except after the last 1 hour the last 1 day pricing is going positive, and last 1 day pricing is positive, and only the last 1 week pricing is again negative. Only the last 1 day pricing is positive, except after the last 1 day, the last 1 hour, the last 1 week pricing is going wrong, friends. That's mean that the Hedera Hashgraph start jumping from the yesterday, but now unfortunately the Hedera Hashgraph is again fast down. Let me show you, friends, more about. Oh my god, absolutely they are fast down from the previous last 1 hour, and now if they fast down, so this jump will continue for the next few hours, friends. After a few hours there is again chances to they take a jump in the future, friends. In a few hours this confirm that they will take a dump in the future, friends. Now you can see here the previous time changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph is going positive, as you can see here, and after they again fast down, after jump they again fast down, now again take a jump, and now they will again fast down for a few hours, and after a few hours there is again chances to they take a jump in the future, friends. Let's see the last 24 hours price changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph. Positive 25.46%, price is going upward, and 0.29289083 US dollar is the highest price of Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 day, in the last 24 hours, friends. Absolutely the pricing is going very highly positive, but now they fall down for a little time, so don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.